when you look at the leaves,
areta njira ya gutigirira urimi ni wa Gacira mwena wa Naikuru. Riu thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru nitanyite kuruguria mubango wa bill ya kugacirithia urimi hamwe na urithia wa nyamu icigo itiganite kaunti-ini iyo.
We from the Ministry of Agriculture, Livestock and Fisheries are in the process of developing the bill in support of the policies on urban agriculture, and that's the basis for the conversation that we're having today in this room.
Kuringana na Immaculate Nyuthe uria ni mumemba wa kamiti ya mubango uyu, aigite muingi wa kaunti iyo ni uhetwo mweke wa kuheana mawoni mao megi mutaratara uyu mbere ya ukinyitio bunge-ini na gukorwo kiariririo mbere ya uhetukitio. Undu uyu utanyitwo gukorwo kinyitithania arimi na thoko, kuona makoragwo makihinyiririo riria mekwendia magetha mao, undu uria umaunaga moko na gucungiriria muo gutiganirio urimi wao.
One of the many components of ensuring food security in towns. It's just one of the many parts, but very significant. A good share of urban households in Kenya are engaged in urban agriculture. I think in Nakuru it's close to 27%. That's not a small number.
Samuel Onyango aigite mubango uyu ni unyitanire na University ya Nairobi na uria ugukuruhania arutwo aria mathomaga kothi cia urimi niguo gutigirira onao ni mataukwo ni mitaratara ya urimi hindi iria mari mathomo-ini mao.
We're keen to think about small animals like chickens, rabbits and so on, fish, things that can be done in the backyard and in spaces, in free spaces around the city without interrupting city life.
Undu uyu ukitio riri icigo itiganite cia bururi cikoretwo cikigumirwo ni ng'aragu mahinda kwa mahinda, kuria Kenya moritio kuhimbiria urimi wa irio niguo kuhurana na king'uki giki kia ng'aragu. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui Wabajiko.